Hi, so yeah, let's talk about manufacturing. Manufacturing accounts today for 20% of CO2 emissions and energy consumption. Now, high rates, risk of supply, coercive regulations, all the drivers of energy consumption are now flashing red. So even if much has been made already, saving even more energy and CO2 in manufacturing is still difficult, but not an option anymore. Actually, many CEOs of global companies in various sectors took the ambitious goal of being net zero by 2030, which is tomorrow. That's great, but that's a bit challenging, actually, because on the shop floor operators are still struggling with spreadsheets in order to take action from the data, whereas they're looking for smart, collaborative, and real-time analytics technologies. On the other hand, industry directors only have a few years to find and implement net zero solutions with very fast return on investments if they don't reach such targets. Automating the data analytics in manufacturing for energy is a market worth 10 billion euros, and we have to address key sectors like food, chemistry, paper, automotive, or raw materials. This is why we launched Energiency. It's the first energy intelligence technology 100% dedicated to manufacturing. Energiency is a software that turns in real time raw data from factories into personalized action plans for operators. By mixing human and artificial intelligence together with no capex needed, we can achieve up to 15% of new energy and CO2 savings in factories in less than 1 year. Let me share with you a few use cases. We're working today with global leaders in chemicals. That's hundreds of factories with very complex facilities and thousands of meters producing data every second. With our technology, these manufacturers can visualize in blue the baseline of the minimum energy consumption required for a week of production. And we calculate in orange and red the energy wasted while drifting from this blue baseline, and also in green, energy saved thanks to us. So basically, it's like traffic lights, and that's why it's working. When you're good, you're green. When you're bad, you're red. And this is why our customers are sticky and doesn't want to go back once they've chosen us. Another use case in the steel sector, where algorithms can predict with a very high accuracy the energy that will be burned by the next minute, hour, or day. We have customers spending more than 100 million euros a year in a single factory. Thanks to us, they don't need spreadsheets anymore, and they can really anticipate future drifts in the shop floor, which can be worth hundreds of thousands of euros of savings a year. Yesterday at eWorld in Essen, we've just launched a new product, which is really intraday and day-ahead forecasts for utilities. And you can see the press release with Enovo's group explaining how great the technology is. Last use case in the automotive sector, where a digital twin can identify and push recommendations in real time to operators for each action to implement on their machines in order to save energy. Our business model is a software subscription based on a 3-plan offer, from basic data visualization to more advanced AI-driven digital twin analytics. We have the chance to have almost no churn with such business model. So we're very proud today to work with major leaders in manufacturing in various sectors, and we operate today remotely from France in 10 countries, in Europe and in Asia, and now we are starting customers in the USA. We are now a team of 30 people, data scientists, software developers, and energy managers. And we had a great year last year. We multiplied by 5 our purchase orders from customers. We doubled revenues, and we are now reaching profitability this year. We did a seed round of 2.7 million euros and a Series A of 4.5 million euros 3 years ago, including NCV Group. They are the utility of Luxembourg, operating too in Benelux and Germany. So now we are launching a B series in order to settle and grow in Asia and in America. And our goal, ambition, is that most manufacturing companies put Energiency at the heart of their Industry 4.0 strategy in order to save even more energy and CO2. So we're Energiency, we're the future of energy analytics for manufacturing. I'm here this afternoon and tonight, so I'll be happy to reach out with you guys if you want to have further discussions today. Thanks for listening. Bye.